This is the journey to one Africa. Hey, what up, everybody? Welcome back to SNOA, and let's get right into it. Let me just remind everybody as you're joining this family, if you're new to this family, please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and to let us know what you think about our content. But most importantly, if you are able to sign up for the membership of this family, please do so. If you do that, you'll be helping us to reach to as many people as we can. Yeah, we all need your support, and membership is one of the ways that you can support. Other ways, you can use Patreon, you can use PayPal, you can use different links are in the description. Let's get right into it, man. I have really great news today, and this is about, again, the Sahel region. You're talking about Niger, Burkina Faso, Mali, and some other countries in the western part of Africa. So this news just came on Tuesday that Niger signed deal to supply Mali with cheaper diesel. Come on, somebody. This is such a great news, man. Let me read for you a little bit and then I'll talk about it. Niger is set to deliver 150 million liters of diesel to neighboring Mali after the two countries signed a partnership on Tuesday. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to hear. The diesel is to be supplied to Energy du Mali, EDM SA, Mali's national energy company, as the country suffers from regular power cuts. EDM SA, which is heavily indebted, struggles to consistently provide power to those with access to electricity in the capital and other Malian towns. Under the terms of the deal agreed between Mali and Niger, or minister, Niger will sell the diesel at almost half the normal rate. A bargaining region energy player, Nigerian authorities in November inaugurated a pipeline that will carry crude oil to Benin as well. So this is not only Mali, but also they are building a pipeline to Benin. The oil will first be extracted by the Chinese state-owned China National Petroleum Corporation. In February, the country announced the signing of a memorandum of understanding to supply diesel to Mali and Burkina Faso, its two partners in the license of Sahel state, as well as Chad. Niger intends to increase its oil production to 110,000 barrels per day, of which 90,000 barrels are to be exported. Oh my God. So this is not only Niger and Mali, but Niger, Mali with Burkina Faso, with Chad and Benin. Guys, come on, man. Let's just take a moment to acknowledge that, because this is what we want. This is what needed. So after seeing this news, I had to go to my tweet yesterday and to my ex yesterday and to tweet a little bit. And this is what I say. I wanna share with you guys my opinion, and you guys at the same time, please share your opinion in the comment section, because this is such a great news, guys. Such a great news. This is what we've been crying for all the time. Wanting to see African countries start partnering together, start trading among each other, and saving one another. We share this on our X, Swahili Nation X, and then I reposted it on my personal channel, Mika Chavala. It's time for African countries to come together and develop our continent. We can achieve great things if we work together and focus on our own resources rather than relying on colonizers. We must learn to cooperate and communicate with each other before bringing in outside parties. This is the Africa we want: united, self-sufficient, and prosperous. This is the Africa we want, man. You know, these three countries, I think they should be the motto of unity we want in Africa. Because you know, when they decided to come together and form alliances between all these three countries and declaring that, you know what, if you come after one country, you're coming after all of us. That was not it. Burkina Faso, you see the president of Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore, starting this, mining, gold mining within the country and changing a lot of things just in the range of 1 year. But now you see with Niger, actually they kicked away France, but also I released a news here, they kicked away United States, man. United States troops, more than 1,000 troops are moving away from Niger because they've been kicked away. They said, get out of our country. And now you have this news. Not only that, they already wrote the Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, with Mali. Burkina Faso is right there next. Chad is there. And they're building a pipeline all the way to Benin. They want to trade among each other, sustain themselves. I mean, like removing themselves from the shackle of neocolonialism and working together as one people, as one Africa, to bring about development in the country. Now tell me this, that the coup that happened there did not help these countries. Tell me that the people of Niger, Burkina Faso, and Mali are not happier than they used to be before. Tell me. Okay, you guys might be watching here. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are more happier or you're not. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to call my brother from Mali, actually, to talk to him. No, wait. Let me see. Let me see here if I can do that. Let me see if I can do that. Just surprisingly, you know, because I did not. Okay, this guy is right here. Okay, let me call him. Let me try to call him to see if he's available. My brother.
Bro, how are you?
I'm good, man. It's been a minute.
It's been. Hey, you know, it's 4 a.m. here too.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It's why I had no idea. You know, I was just making a little quick video to share. Yeah. Thank you so much, brother. And I'm sorry for cutting your sleep. I appreciate, my brother. I appreciate. I'll be waiting for that. All right. All right, guys. So, you know, I did not know actually, you know, where my brother is right now. It is 4 a.m. in the morning. So he's going to send to me an audio later. But anyhow, what I wanted to say is that this is what we need in the continent. We want to see our countries coming together, cooperating and working together towards the common goal, because we cannot unite the continent if you're not working together. And so I shared this yesterday on our community tab on YouTube. I just want to go through some of you guys to acknowledge your thoughts and everything that you said about this, all right? I shared this right here, and we have like 17 different comments. Let me just go ahead and read it. Somebody called Rodman, he said, this is what unity looks like. Okay, somebody, Abdurrahman, he said that, and we need to make the visa process easier and cheaper, especially for the refugee, elder, and businessmen and women. Amazing. Somebody, Yusefa, say this, it is happening. Ubuntu is at work. And then something here, I cannot read it. Say, he is gathering us, giving us dreams and increasing knowledge. He even gave me my wife from Ghana, and everything I do is to secure our place back in the continent to live in abundance. Come on, somebody. All right. Kudos to your wife, man. Somebody, Mele Williams, say, when you are dedicated to building up your brothers and sisters, continue to learn and on each other and help build a united Africa. Yes. Collins Kalumba say, United Africa has just begun. This is the Africa we want as the youth of this continent. That's why coup is inevitable in order to accomplish the united we want. Somebody, Manshia Foji, say, absolutely. Somebody just raise a fist like this. Somebody, you know, is clapping the hand. Somebody say, we were divided to unite. If the West got together to divide Africa, it's imperative for Africans to come together without the West. Oh, yes. Yeah, so these are just some of the comments that our people actually commented in the post I posted. So please, you guys let me know as well in this video as I'm sharing right now. Let me know in the comment section. What are your hearts? What are your feelings about this? But I love this, man. I wish the entire continent of Africa can do that. I wish we can come together, because it is possible for us to work based on our terms and our conditions. Like, you know, Niger kicking away France, and now United States is actually setting up an example that, okay, you guys get our way. If you want to work with us, you need to work based on our terms and our conditions. You know what I'm saying? So now they're working with Chinese and Russia based on their terms. They want to provide these to another countries just next to them. And this is what we need, guys. We can cooperate with other people. We can come together with other people, but it need to be based on our terms and our condition. Africa, I'm telling you this, man, it's not that complicated. They made you believe that it's impossible to change your continent. They made you believe that this can never be land of possibilities. But I went to Rwanda, I've seen that it is possible. And I'm telling you, it is possible to transform this continent. Only if all of us will come together, work together as brothers and sisters, and lead the way of unity. Sahel region is showing that it's possible. Now it is the call for the rest of Africa. And my cry again with African Union. African Union reformation is very possible and is very important for the development of this continent. We need to put the right man on the chair in order to lead this continent to the promised land. It is possible. We just need to work together. We have resources, we have brain, we have everything that we need to develop this country. We have oil, we have water, we have natural resources, we have natural gas, you know, even electricity. Why we don't have electricity? Right now, there's a floods going on in the continent. A lot of people are dying, even in my country, Tanzania, and some other countries in Africa. And then you tell me that we don't have food? It is possible, man. It is possible. They made us think and feel that it is impossible. No, let me tell you this. This is the land of possibilities. Africa is the land of possibilities, and it is possible. So let's stand together. Let's unite. And let's fight for the motherland, because this is where the life began. And this is where the life will be sustained. And this is where everything begins and everything ends, right here in Africa.